Hello, welcome again. Today's my topic is information technology. We are going to discuss about information technology, its advantage and disadvantage and scope. So welcome again. It's an important topic of plus 2 commerce under subject fundamental of e-business. For especially plus 2 commerce students, information technology. The scene is here, one finger is going across the mobile. Such things in today's life we can see anywhere and every corner of our society. Is it IT? No, it's a tool of IT. What is information technology? Information technology refers to the processing, storing, and transforming information. I'm saying transforming information. To do these processes of processing, storing, and transforming information, we use computers, other electronic devices such as telephone, mobile phones, fax machines, and specifically telecommunication network. Without telecommunication network, the concept of IT is incomplete. Different educationists give their own views, technical experts give their own views. A term that encompasses all forms of technology used to create, store, exchange, and use information in the various form is information technology. So we can clearly say that it is such a process under which we can store and transform the information from one place to another, one person to another, one device to another. Information technology refers to processing, storing, and transferring the information. Today, in every era of our society, in today's modernized economic world, when globalization concept is there, it's really very important to go through the advantages of information technology. We should know that when we talk about any of these fields, whether it is communication, publishing sector, stock market, stores, supermarkets, homes, agriculture and industry, business, globalization, doctors, lawyers and other professional students, entertainment and recreation, libraries and many more. In each and every sector, we use information technology, either it's public sector, private sector, in hospitals. Information technology has become a very important impartial part of our IT. We are going to discuss the advantage of these things regarding information technology with one by one sector. Useful for medicine and health sector. We know that medical science, or we can say medicines and health sector, it's really very important part of our life. Very useful in the field of health and medical science. Similarly, from the communication point of view, IT is really also so much important. Communication has become cheaper and quicker and more efficient with the help of IT. We can communicate anyone around the world within the seconds. So we can say that the world is on our fingers. Similarly, importance in education. When I am talking about education, I am talking from the point of view of educational institutions, teachers, students, parents, education department. Due to IT, every type of software and hardware are there in the market, which are really very helpful for each and every institutions and each and every stakeholder of education. Similarly, helpful in globalization. We know today's world is going through the globalization era. No country can survive without the help of other countries. So we can say that world's economy has become a single entity with the advent of IT. Without IT, it's really very difficult to move one place to another. We can't move manually each and every time to do economic activities. We need some devices, we need some network, which is possible only through information technology. Due to IT, distance and language doesn't matter. Each and every economy becomes a single economy, we can say. So it's really helpful in globalizing the economy of the world. Similarly, helpful for entertainment and recreation. Hey, we know that in this life of busyness, we need some entertainment and recreation. Today's it becomes an industry. I'm talking about just like film industry. Film industry, it's the biggest industry today is working in the whole world. Film industry uses IT to give special effects, animation, advertisement, music and many more. So it's very important for entertainment, just like we want to listen music, watch movies, play games, and we want to use social media for entertainment and recreation. To do all these things, information technology really plays very important role. Another concept is IT in banking and insurance. Banking and insurance, we know that they are the really very important aspect of our life. Our banking and insurance sector has almost computerized up to great extent in the whole world. Highly advanced infrastructure and networking support is there. Because in banking and insurance, these sector needs some accounting concepts, calculations, and in other concepts they need also technical support. To do all these type of things, information technology plays very important role. Agriculture and industry. For farmer, forecasting regarding weather, for industry, for policy making, for technical support to industry, whatever we need for agriculture and industry, IT plays a very important role. For example, we can say that computer aided design, which one is called as CAD, and CAM, computer aided manufacturing. These things is possible in industry only due to IT. Information regarding soil, use of technology for agriculture, need of pesticides, what type of pesticides are needed for specific type of soil. Such information can be attained with the help of IT. So agriculture and industrial sector is also one of the important sectors where IT plays really very important role. Similarly, we can say in government sector, government is also a big user of a technology, whether it's from taxes purpose, from revenues point of view, for defense needs, traffic control. Just we can say recently we are feeling that to face the problems like COVID, through which we are going through, infrastructure development, and for many more economic plannings and etc. Government sector today we see that not only in our country, even throughout the world, government sector is totally correlated with IT, or we can say only working on the base of information technology. Doctors and lawyers and other professionals. Now, we can say that even they can't survive without IT, or they can't work smoothly without IT in today's world. IT is very much useful for professionals like doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers, and many more. They can make proper record, they can do their work effectively and smoothly with the help of IT. We can say that useful in stores and supermarket, big stores, supermarkets, They are the collection point of, we can say, a big crowd or customers. Use IT tools at their checkout counters to see the items purchased, which we can say that EPOS, that is electronic point of sale, where a customer makes the payment, and to make up the supply line of their material. Big stores and supermarkets uses IT very effectively. Useful in business and commerce, IT is really playing very vital and expanding role in commerce. Commerce is not a single sector. It's a combination of multiple concepts and sectors of economy. IT helps the owners and managers to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their business and all commercial activities. So we can say that from business and commercial point of view, IT is really very useful. Public utility services, we know there are many public utility services which are really helpful for public to make up their day-to-day needs, just like example is of post office, electricity boards, banks, insurance, other utility places. Now we really feels each and every public utility service is totally going or can be going to be smooth only with the help of information technology. Such places make up their data, update their information to make through their ways to work possible in a smooth and effective manner. It's only possible with the help of information technology. And these are just basic concepts I have discussed. There are many more areas where IT plays very important role in employment sector. We can say that construction sector, similarly publishing sector where books are published with the help of information technology. Research and development is also one of the important sector where IT plays very important role. Similarly in libraries to make up their records. Stock markets is really very important sector where IT plays very important role. Similarly, now commerce is not only e-commerce which based upon just books, now it becomes e-commerce, electronic commerce, and many other organizations in the world, whether it is public or private organizations, each and every sector is just depends upon IT, information technology. When we talk about such advantages of information technology or IT sector, there are certain disadvantages or we can say limitations. Someone says there lack of privacy is there. It's really difficult to private our data, no job security, we can say lack of job security, because due to new devices, a device can work for more than 10 men, a single device can do. So problem of unemployment is there. Misuse of technology, it's the biggest threat which we have seen while using information technology and their such devices. Similarly, some persons even says that it ignores local, regional and cultural values. But please think about widely. If we just think about it, is quite clear that these are not the limitations of it. Rather, it is more of due to the worse human behavior, such like misuse of technology. It's not the technology which is going to be misused within itself. It's a human being who is just misusing the technology. So, we clearly says that in conclusion, I can say that information technology has great influence on all aspects of our life. All our workplaces, living environments are being computerized. These areas of human life are also known as scope of IT. It should be clear to us. The line I have said, it's very important. If we want to write about, we want to understand about the scope of information technology, it's the almost same points, same areas where information technology is going to be used or is using. So, all the points about which we are say that advantages of IT technology in these sector also part of the scope of information technology. So, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share with others.